Welcome to the AiM Learn Fast e-training series presented by AiM Sports, providing support and training of your AiM Sports products when and where you want it. This module is transmitting and receiving tracks using AiM Sports GPS Manager 2.0 software. Just a couple of benefits of using the GPS sensor with your AiM Sports data system is the ability to use the GPS information to generate highly accurate track maps and lap times. To make the use of the sensor even easier, AiM Sports has created the GPS Manager software. The GPS Manager software has hundreds of worldwide tracks already included in its database, and we are adding more all of the time. This video is designed to show you how to transmit GPS tracks to your Solo, MXL, Evo 4, Micron 4, and other AiM Sports data systems using the GPS Manager 2.0 software. To begin, first open the software. This is what the software looks like when we first open it. Notice that the tracks in your computer's track database are shown on the left-hand side of the screen, and we are showing that none are selected. Also notice that we do not have any AiM Sports data loggers connected. The first step to transmitting tracks to your AiM device is to connect it to your PC. I will now connect a Solo DL to the computer. Here we see the software is showing communicating with the device, and now it is connected. As shown here, the connected device is a Solo DL, and it also shows the ID or serial number and the installed firmware version. The first thing we are going to show is the erasing of tracks from the connected device. So the first thing we need to do is to select the tracks we want erased from the connected Solo DL. First, select the Barber checkbox. Then select the Autobahn checkbox. And then after the tracks you want to erase are selected, click on the Erase Selected button. This will always open a confirmation window. If you are certain you want to erase the two selected tracks from the connected device, click on the Yes button. Good. Now you see by the right side of the software that the connected device is empty of GPS tracks. The next thing I want to show you is how to transmit or install tracks onto your AiM Sports device. The left side of the software is the list of available tracks in your GPS track database. The first step is to select the track or tracks you want to transmit to your device. For this example, let's select the Daytona Road Course track by selecting the checkbox. Then click on the Send to GPS button. The software then communicates with the device and sends the track to the device. The Daytona Road Course GPS map is now copied to the AiM Sports device, in this case a Solo DL. Just disconnect the Solo DL from the PC, install it in your car, and you are ready to go on track. Another function we need to discuss is the possibility of having tracks on a device and wanting to transmit them to your computer. This happens when you have generated the GPS coordinates on the data logger at the track, or if you have uploaded tracks from a different computer's GPS Manager database. So here I am connecting an AiM Sports Evo 4 data logger to the computer, and in the right-hand side of the software, you can see the device, its serial number, and the firmware version. Also shown are the GPS tracks loaded onto the Evo 4. Notice that the list is divided into two sections. The upper section lists the GPS tracks on the device that are not in the track database on the computer, and the lower section is the list of tracks that are identical in both locations. In this case, we want to send the Cadell track to the computer's track database, so we first need to select the Cadell track checkbox. Then click on the Send to Database button. And the Cadell track has now been copied into the computer's track database. But you see that it has been stored in the unknown category of countries. So to edit the track and show that the track is in the United States, select the Edit icon. This will open the Track Information and Properties window. To set the correct nation, click on the Nation Open button. Then, use the elevator bar on the right side to scroll down and find the United States choice in the alphabetically sorted list. There it is. Select the United States item. And then click on the OK button. And now the software reports that all of the GPS tracks in the device are identical to the tracks in the computer tracks database. Transmitting and receiving GPS tracks is fairly simple with the GPS Manager 2.0 software. This completes the GPS Manager 2.0 overview video. For more detailed videos regarding the GPS Manager 2.0 software, visit the www.vimeo.com/AimSports website. For more AiM Sports Learn Fast e-training content and information about upcoming on-site training seminars, visit www.aimsports.com/support. Your source for support and training of AiM Sports products when and where you want it.